Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix assistive touch not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, assistive touch is another excellent accessibility feature of iOS 16. It provides shortcuts to essential tasks like locking the screen, opening the app switcher, etc. So guys, first of all, turn assistive touch off and on. Assistive touch is effectively refreshed when turned on and off. So go to settings, scroll on, tap on accessibility, tap on touch, tap on assistive touch, and tap to turn this on, and then there. And then after this, the next solution is go back now, and then after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap and hold on the power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen here, and then after this, the next solution is reset all settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll on, tap on general, scroll on, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode. So simply tap on reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. So go back now, and then after this, the next and the last solution is update your iPhone. If your iPhone running is an obsolete iOS version, you may encounter multiple problems, so make sure you always use the most recent iOS version. So simply go to settings, tap on general, tap on software bits. So guys, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I have the latest iOS version in my iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.